Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use margin in Robinhood. Margin trading allows you to borrow funds from Robinhood to invest more than your cash balance. This can significantly increase your buying power, but it also comes with increased risk. To even begin using margin, you must first subscribe to Robinhood Gold, which is their premium service offering. This is the essential first step. To qualify for margin, you need to maintain at least $2,000 in your Robinhood Gold account. This is a regulatory requirement for margin accounts. Additionally, your account must be specifically approved for margin trading by Robinhood, which involves a review process. Remember, Robinhood Gold itself has a monthly fee, starting at $5 for balances below $5,000, which is an important consideration. Once you have margin, Robinhood sets a maintenance margin requirement, typically around 25% of your portfolio's value. This means you must maintain a certain equity percentage. If your portfolio's value falls below this threshold, you will receive a margin call. This demands you deposit additional funds or sell some of your assets to meet the requirement, often within a very short time frame. While margin can boost returns, it carries significant risks. You could lose more money than you initially invested, as losses are also amplified. Furthermore, you will incur interest charges on the money you borrow, which adds to your trading expenses. Critically, Robinhood has the right to sell your securities without prior notice if your account falls below the maintenance margin, potentially at unfavorable prices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.